Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Force Tech Reviews, back with another video today. And yes, today's video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the LG G7 ThinQ. But before I do that, check this out. Okay everyone, so yes, this is the unboxing of the LG G7 ThinQ. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. I'm gonna go over the phone, go over the specs with you, show you the phone. Then I'll probably come back and give you like a 24 hours first impression, maybe first initial setup of the phone, and that way we can get a definitely, my feeling of it, having the phone for a little bit. But I just want to do this unboxing really quick, show you what color I got. Yes, I got it from Tmobile. Shout out to them for sending it to me a day earlier. But let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's check out the box. Little presentation there. Says Qualcomm, LG Gate, Tmobile, LG. On the other side, it has a bunch of my numbers, but it does say, hey, Google, which is going to come into effect in a little bit. But let's unbox it. Look, unboxing knife. Shout out to Big Migs for supplying the boxing knife. Oh, let's see. That's a phone. My LG cloth, the LG G7 ThinQ. We're going to come back to that. Let's see what else you get in the box. Look, LG second year promise, committed to giving you the promise. That's actually pretty cool. You register your device within 90 days, so you can get 2 years. Let's see what else you get in it. I don't think y'all need that. I think this is books and stuff, but let's check it out. Nobody reads the books. I guess it is. The SIM injecting tool. And then terms and conditions. Do y'all read that? Let me know in the comments. I don't think anybody reads that. So you have your LG charging brick. Fast charge. Look at that. Look at the watts on that thing. That's pretty quick. Then you have your cable. I wish they would go to a black cable. But it is USB Type-C. Hopefully for a flagship. Nothing else in the box. Man, LG needs to give me some headphones or something. Something different in the box. Come on, LG. Step up the game. Do something. Give me something for it. But let's go back into the phone really quick. Put that box there. But watch. Look at the color I got. Yes. It is raspberry rose. T-Mobile only had a couple colors. But look at that phone. Let me go ahead and peel these. I don't know why. Who puts a sticker on the phone saying that the battery cannot be removed? It's 2018. We should all know that already. But look. Wow. I love that color. The stickers is really aggravating me. But I can clean that off. Will it be a fingerprint magnet? Yes. It will definitely be a fingerprint magnet. But you do have some branding. Little LG. I mean, just look at that beauty. So let's power this phone on. While it's powering on, let's go over the specs like I normally do. It does have some power, hopefully. It is a fingerprint magnet, but it feels really light, though. Glass back, has a glass front, but it comes with, look, 6.1-inch Quad HD. It's actually, look, T-Mobile has a notch at the top. 19.5 by 9 ratio, so it's actually bigger than 18 by 9. It also is a 3120 1440 screen ratio, so that's actually pretty cool too. Man, look at, I can't just get over the color of the phone. I like this color for some reason. It's running the latest Snapdragon 845 processor. It comes with 4 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs of storage. It has a slot for the SD card up to 2 terabytes. That's a big SD card. Also, one thing, hopefully the battery life lasts as better than my other phone, which I won't mention. But it comes with a 3000 milliamp hour battery. Pause there. The front camera is 8 megapixels. Hopefully they updated their front camera lens, because the front cameras on the LGs have been pretty horrible. Then in the back you have dual 16 megapixel cameras. One is their regular standard lens, then the other one is wide angle. So you got to hit them with the wide angle lens. Shout out to Android stud Leo. He loves his wide angles lenses. Man, that dude really loves his wide angle. But you also have your fingerprint scanner in the back, your LED flash. But let's go over the phone also. But it also comes with 32-bit hi-fi DAC. And so for you, look, it does come with a headphone. So when you plug in those headphones, you're going to definitely get great sound. It also has what they call a boombox speaker, which is supposed to be really loud. 39% louder than the LG V30, if I'm not mistaken. That's pretty good. It is water resistant, IP68. Also have wireless charging. So, I mean, it has all the bells and whistles. Yes, I picked this up for, what, $750 from Tmobile. Has all the bells and whistles as a flagship should have. Now, will it perform? Will the cameras actually perform? LG is always promoting the cameras, has been updated. So, we're going to test that out. I'm definitely going to do some comparisons. But let's go over the phone really quick, too. There, you have your SIM card slot and your SD card. You have a microphone there. At the bottom, you have another microphone. That's the headphone jack, the USB charging cable slot, and then also your speakers at the bottom. On the right-hand side, you have your power button, which is pretty cool. Then on the back, you have your volume rockers. And no, that's not a Bixby button because it's LG. That is a Google Assistant button. Can you actually remap it? Not as of yet, but maybe soon you can remap it. But definitely look at the screen. Man, this is a great looking phone. Let's do some comparisons like I normally do. Here's my S9 Plus. Look at that. So which one do you like better? Look at the bottom. They both have headphone jacks. So the S9 is definitely a little bit taller. They're about the same width and size. On the side, let's compare my V30 against LG phones against each LG. Look at that. The G7 is a little bit taller. About the same thickness on the sides. Look at that. Nice. So yeah, I mean, it's a great phone. Small body ratio to a big screen. Also the G6, the Moto G6. A little bit taller maybe. Look at the size. Look at that curved back on the G6. Definitely a little bit thicker on the bottom for the Motorola G6. But definitely, this is a nice looking phone. So what I'm going to do now is stop the video. I'm going to actually come back with a new video. I'm going to give you all my first impressions and maybe the initial setup on this phone. But definitely, if you have any comments, any questions about the LG G7 ThinQ, let me know in the comments. Yes, it's a fingerprint magnet, but this phone feels nice. Hopefully it performs really well like the Snapdragon 845 it has. But definitely, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so for more videos coming up with the LG G7. And also hit that thumbs button. Give me a thumbs up. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.